In this video, I will show you how to change flight ticket date in United Airlines. So in order to do this, you need to head over first to united.com, and once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the login option. Now in here, you can just click onto this person icon, and in here the sign in option, you can head over and then continue to log in. Now once you have logged in, you can hover to the My Trips option right here. And then under My Trips option, you should be able to see the change flight option if you have it. So head over to My Trips and then head over to change flight. And then from in there, you should be able to edit your flight details. You can head over and then find your trip first, input right here the confirmation number as well as your last name. Or if it's already been added to your account, you can just hover right here and then sign in or log in into your account. Now from in there, just choose a new flight that you want to change into and make sure that the flight is operated by United or United Express.